Here it is, y'all. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Pound Cake. Something decadent and simple to add to your holiday table. What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Debo, and in today's video we'll be doing a quick no-fail cinnamon toast crunch cake for the holidays. I'm testing it out, so bear with me. This is gonna be my first try and go with it. It will be a nice cake to put on your centerpiece table and will look nice on the table as well. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need for this cake. Okay, for this cake you will need cinnamon toast crunch cereal, cinnamon sugar or cinnamon, ground cinnamon, cream cheese frosting, or you can make it from scratch however you want, vanilla extract, and white cake mix or yellow. Depends on you. So I just cooked the cake according to the instructions on the box. It was a Dunkin' Hines perfectly moist white cake mix. So right here I'm just adding butter rum flavoring and vanilla extract flavoring. A teaspoon of each will make this cake way better than what it was before adding it. They'll give you that finger lifting good type cake. Want to lick your fingers, ask for more type cake. That's my secret weapon. I like to whisk my cake to where it's nice and fluffy, so when it comes out the oven it'll be moist and bouncy. Oh yeah, don't forget to spray your pan down and lightly flour the bottom so the cake won't stick and it come out one drop onto the plate. I just poured half of my cake mix into the pan, and right here I'm about to pour the cinnamon toast crunch mixture that I crushed up just a little bit. I mixed a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and shook that bag up, and I just poured it on half, as you can see right here. Then after this, I'm going to pour the rest of the cake mix on top. Drop the pan on the counter a couple times to get all the air bubbles out. If y'all know that trick, y'all should know. Comment down below if you did. And then I just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Checking at the 10-minute intervals. Don't open up your oven. Use the oven light. Y'all, this is looking good already. For more quality content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what video you want me to do next.
Meanwhile,
Y'all, we did not find the Christmas lights this year. We had to go out and get some from Walmart. Didn't want to do that, but we had to. We usually decorate our tree Thanksgiving Eve after we eat. What is your tradition? When do you decorate your tree? Comment down below. Y'all, this is one of my favorite Christmas songs right here. Here it is, the finished tree. We usually have twinkling lights to give it that magical effect, but we lost the lights this year. But if you've seen my last year Christmas vlog, you should see the tree and the twinkling effect. It's on my channel. Make sure to go check that out. But yeah, here's the tree. See that bless, you got mom, all type of things on the tree. Santa Claus. Buffalo check was a thing this year. Right here, I'm just getting my Pillsbury's cream cheese frosting, adding a tablespoon of butter to it, putting that bad boy in the microwave for 30 seconds, let it melt down a little bit to frost the cake. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, trying to hold the camera and pour and stir at the same time. But right here, I just added 3 heaping tablespoons of confectioner's white sugar, powdered sugar, whatever you want to call it. Y'all, the cake's out the oven. Look how good that turned out. I'm telling you, make sure you spray that pan down and sprinkle some flour on the bottom. It'll come out just like that. Yeah, I just poured that frosting into a more pourable dish so I can hold the camera at the same time while pouring the frosting. But you see what I'm doing here. It's not rocket science. Just pour. Y'all might be asking, why I put butter in it? Because butter make it do what? Make it taste better. It's time for the garnishing, if that's what you call it. I think that's what you call it. I just got some more Cinnamon Trust Crunch left over. Crush them up a little bit more and sprinkle it over the cake. Make it a little neat, y'all. Don't just throw it up on there. Now you can't tell me that cake don't look good to be on a budget. Look at that. Look how good that look. Y'all, the aroma I get when I open up this cake pan, the cinnamon sweet goodness that warms my soul. And on top of that, it tastes oh so good with that swirl in the middle.